Gold, 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 gold. Guess what? Gold is a gold mine. Gold is a gold mine. All right. What am I talking about here? Traders. I believe, or maybe, we'll see. Let's have a look at the charts. But I believe gold is probably getting ready to have that breakout that all the gold traders have been hoping since the middle of 2020. So I'm going to give you a bit of an update on what's happening with gold right now, and also be looking at all the stocks as well too, looking at the bit of a stocky market and a bit of an update through there. So let's get straight into it, guys. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So I've just recorded a brand new trading course and I'm giving you a free access to this. This is broken down into 4 different parts. Part number 1 is about the foundations, the biggest mistakes you're making right now, what goes into a good trader. Part number 2 is about the chart reading techniques that's been working since the 1950s. This chart reading, part number 3, advanced chart reading, is about the techniques that I've actually only learned from my millionaire mentor, not from books. And then also my number 1 top trading system in mastery. I give you all of that for free and I'm giving it to you. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now or click on the very first link in the description. Alrighty, traders. So, bit of a question for my fellow subscribers. Let me know, where do you think gold is ultimately going to go through the rest of this decade? I personally believe that we're going to go back to a gold backing something. So it's probably going to be digital dollar, right? And if you look through history, we go from real money to soft money, hard money, soft money, hard money, soft money. So we're probably going to go through a digital currency, right? That's probably going to happen. But I also believe that the digital currency is not just going to be a digital currency, right? There's going to be some value behind that. The notes are going to be able to print money, right? So on the basis of what I just said there, I believe we could see a $10,000, $20,000 gold by 2030, 2035, right? Depending on when this happens, right? Because as you know, right, all this slowly starts to take place of things happening, right? And that's why if you guys have read also, if you've read this book right here, AI 2041, this talks about the AI revolution and what's happening through there. I've actually got the physical book of this one. And oh my, right? Did it just really just... It talks about universal base income and all that sort of stuff that's happening when it comes to, everything through there. So the purpose of me saying that is that things take time, right? So, and obviously what the AI revolution is happening. By the way, guys, when it comes to the AI, I just recently just recently caught an Uber, and I was talking to the Uber driver. And by the way, guys, I'm going to get into the charts in just a minute. I'm just getting through this here. So the first question for you guys, where do you think gold's going to ultimately go? Right, I'm off a bit of a tangent here on this update, but that's okay. We'll talk about everything in this video, okay? Let's go, right? First thing is gold, where I believe gold's going to go is I believe it's going to be 10, 20,000, because basically backed of when it comes to the backing of the digital currency. That's where I believe. That's my opinion. Please leave a comment in the section below and let me know what you think. Now, onto the AI, just quickly before I get into the actual chart itself. Isn't it interesting, traders, that I think, and also for ourselves, right? It's so important that we have a look at, I think it's really, really, really important, traders, that we have a look at what we're doing in our jobs, right? And try not to ignore reality, but try to see reality as it is. And what I'm talking about this is that, for example, like when I called Uber recently, I said to the Uber driver, I said, "Are you worried about the self-driving trucks or self-driving cars taking over, the taxi cabs and the Uber drivers, right?" So, and I said the Uber driver's only been around for a few years, and I said, and it's probably going to be gone in a few years' time, maybe more, right? I said, "Are you worried about that?" The guy's like, "Nah, it's not worried about that." Or you hear all these self-driving cars having accidents. That's never going to happen. And I looked at him. I'm just like, oh man, this guy's oblivious to the evolution of what's actually going on here. And he's one of these people, right, that I honestly believe that when they get to the end of the journey, when come 2030, and when he no longer has a job anymore and he has no skills, he hasn't learned how to invest in the stock market. Like, guess what? Because you've got the number one coach in the world, me, Johnny Howe. By the way, if you do want private coaching, guys, for all of 2024, then feel that second link description, guys. Book a call, right? Book a call with me. Go do it right now. Book a call with me, right? And even if you're not a good fit for the actual coaching program, guess what? I'll be able to give you a free coaching call and help you out on the coaching program. So book a call with me, guys. All right? I promise you, I'll set you straight. So when it comes to trading these markets, almost 20 years deep in these markets, guys, I can help you out. Okay? So book a call with me right now. Go do it right now. Second link in the description. Book. Right. So anyway. So the purpose of me saying that is that, like, there's no skills behind that. He just looks like he has his normal job. He's got a couple investment properties, and then he's just doing the Uber driver. And he's like, it's like this AI revolution is taking over people's jobs, and they're not seeing it for what it really is. I wonder, leave a comment in the comment section below, guys. Okay, this update's obviously got a lot to do more with gold, but I got a lot more than gold, should I say, right? So again, I'm going to get into gold in the stock market in just a minute, but I want to talk about these topics here in this update because I think it's really important that we understand this and that I see this. Now, leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd really love to see what your dialogue of thinking is when it comes to the self-driving trucks and self-driving cars, and when all that's going to start to take place. I personally believe the Great Reset that's coming on the topic of this. I believe the Great Reset that's coming. I believe it's a needed reset. Not like it's a bad thing. Oh my goodness, the Great Reset. They're going to take control of everything and we're going to be dead. Oh my goodness. I don't believe that. I actually believe the Great Reset is probably going to be a good thing. Well, why? It's a reset of all the system. Wouldn't it be awesome when the Great Reset happens and then they say, you know what? We're going to be Dubai. We're going to be Puerto Rico. No more taxes. That's it. We're going to go back to what happened 100 years ago. Great reset, flatten everything, no taxes. Wouldn't that be awesome? Leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know if you think I'm delusional about having no taxes. I know, you idiot John. I know, right? So, it's really, really interesting, guys. And also, guys, again, I'd really love to see your dialogue and your thinking about that. What do you think is coming over the next 10, 15 years when it comes to this AI revolution? Like, I really love to see your opinion on. My opinion is some things I'm talking about here right now. And that's what I'm saying through there. So let's get into the actual market itself, guys. So we'll start off with the good old gold. Gold, right? Gold. Now, initially, guys, what gold tends to do is gold tends to go for a breakout before we hit a recession. Okay? So if we have a look at gold it's about, after 2 years, gold is about to make a move, right? What should I title my video? Let's see. Maybe I should ask chat. Let's actually see this here. Let's have a bit of fun. You know what, guys? Let's have a little bit of fun here. Let's see what let's see. Now I believe gold's going to break out. Let's see again, guys. If you guys think this is crazy and so on and so forth, this is a bit of a different market update. Leave a comment section below. Have you guys used this Google Bard before? I'm going to see this here. Let's see this here. I am creating a video on YouTube about the coming gold breakout. What should the title be that will catch people's eye? Let's see what it says. I'm creating a video on YouTube about the coming gold breakout. Gold Rush 2.0. Here we go. Information specific. Gold breakout 2024. Technical analysis and market drivers. The Fed can't stop it. 5 signs gold is poised for liftoff. Oh, I like that one. I might have used that one here. Have you guys used this one before, guys? Bard.google or bard.google.com. Have you guys used it before? Forget Bitcoin. Gold is about to explode. Here's why. Oh, I like that one. I like that one. I might title this one. I might title the video this one. I like that one. Is this it? Gold on the verge of a historical surge. Prepare to be shocked. Oh, I like that one too. Which one do I use? Which one do I use? Gold Rush 2.0. The coming breakout you can't ignore. Oh. Don't miss out. The coming gold breakout you could make you rich. Really? Google? Really? If I put that in my advertising, I'd probably deep. You guys are probably thinking, John, this is a stock market update. What are you doing? I'm just having a bit of fun here, guys. It's the end of 2023. I'm having a bit of fun with you guys. The Fed is printing money. You should be buying gold. Simple math. To the moon. But first, let's talk gold. I like that one. Actually, you know what, guys? Do this here. Out of all these titles here you're seeing right now, don't miss out on the coming gold breakout. Gold, the ultimate inflation hedge. 3 steps. Blah blah blah. Prepare yourself. Anyway, guys, leave a comment in the section below and let me know if you come up with a better title than AI. Actually, I'm going to title one of these. I'm going to forget Bitcoin. Gold is about to explode. Here's why. Is this it? Gold on the verge of historic surge. Oh, I like that one. I actually might title the video this one here. So there you go, guys. There you go. That's how smart you have to be. Not smart at all. And that's the same for trading, guys. Right? That's the same for actual trading itself. If you're trading the markets, and as I'm talking about my private clients, second link in the description, book on it, book there, guys. Book now, right? Second link in the description, book a call, become a private client. I will set you straight, I promise you guys. You want a good win-loss ratio, you want a really high probability trading system, you want me to coach you every single day and show you what I'm doing for all 2024 and set you straight, book a call. Anyway, second link in the description, guys. Again, guys, that's probably one of the best things about trading, right? Is that whenever I add my emotions to trading, right? Whenever I add my emotions to, and you know yourself, right? If I have a simple trading system which works, which I do, whenever I start to add my opinion to that, or I start to trade a emotional trade, it never works, right? So initially, what happens with gold? I'm going to get to gold now. I'm having a bit of fun here, traders, all right? Is it okay if I have a bit of fun here? Christmas has just passed. It's the end of 2023. It's been an amazing year. 2024 is going to be even better, right? So the thing is, look at this here, right? So what do we have here? Gold is on the verge of, is this it? Gold on the verge of historic surge. Prepare for a shock. I actually believe that, by the way, guys. Now, initially, what I believe is going to happen is I believe that if we see what's likely to happen here is this, we're probably likely to break out and go for a run. That's what gold does, right? Gold normally goes for a bit of a run first before the recession happens, right? So we're probably going to go through a recession, and it actually happened. It actually happened back in 28 as well too, right? So gold probably, if gold does break out and go for a run, we're probably going to start to have a move back up towards these 2,500 first, right? That's the first target there, right? So when it comes to this, I do believe we're probably going to get something like this. Now, as I said before, traders, I do believe we're going to see a $20,000 gold, right? So that title, is this it? Gold on the verge of historic surge, prepared to be shocked. I actually truly believe that, by the way. That's actually not a clickbait. Why? Because I do believe we're probably getting something like that. Then the recession comes, right? Recession comes, stock market goes down, so will gold as well too, right? But then this here is the stage for liftoff. This is the stage for liftoff. Let me explain the reasons why. If I go to my weekly charts, look back and look what, my private clients messaged me saying, John, just did a trade today. You're a legend. Thank you for your coaching program. That's what all my private clients say. I'm telling you right now, traders, like, once you start to get this, guys, you start to get it. It's like, it's amazing, right? No matter what you want to trade, Forex or futures or something like that, if you do, see, there you go. My phone's dinging. All my private clients are saying, John, did you see this trade today? Anyway, so let's go. What am I looking at? Let's go to the GLD price because I can't go back in time. Well, I can go back in time. But look at this here. Look what happened back in 08. Are we about to see a repeat of 08? Right? Look at this here. So what happened is what? We had a breakout first, didn't we? So we went sideways for 2 years. What do we mean? What have we been doing for 2 years? What have we been doing for 2 years? Nothing. And then gold breaks out. And then what happened? What is this here? Oh, this is '08. Oh, '08 crash. And then look at the move. Ooh. Is this a repeat? Right? Is this a repeat? Ooh, maybe. All right. So we see that through there, right? We see that through there. So possibly, maybe, we're about to see the same thing. Now, this is a slightly different, but, history doesn't repeat itself, but it rhymes. Sideways for a couple of years. Sideways for a couple of years. Breakout coming. Breakout coming. Crash in the recession. Crash in the recession. And then the supersonic boom. The supersonic boom. Right? Historic surge in the markets there, right? As my good old AIA 2041 helps me come up with the titles, right? Traders, leave a comment section below. Let me know what. Come on, let's see if you can come up with a much better title than the good old AI over there. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. That's what I'm seeing from the good old gold perspective from there. Let's go a quick look at the stock market to see what's happening through here. Quick little update across the stock market here, guys. I won't waste too much of your time if I haven't done so already. Again, guys, I'm having a whole bunch of fun here, right? So we see that we're actually very overextended through here. If we have a look at the 50, this is a 52 moving average on a daily chart, guys. And as you can see, right, we can see whenever we get too far away from it, this market never gets too far away on the upside for overbought and on the downside for oversold. Before what? Before we start to come back to it, right? Come back to it. So now look how far we are through here. So it doesn't mean we're not going to have a bit more to the upside. We actually may even have one more little push to the upside to finish the year off. And then maybe next year, or which I do believe, we're probably going to then start to see a bit of a softening period. But I don't believe it's going to see a crash, right? I believe this breaking here, this whole major resistance point back here is indeed, I believe, is going to be a significant resistance for the Dow Jones, and then we're going to see a really big move. But for initially, guys, we're going to probably see a bit of a pullback, and that's going to start what I believe is going to be a really big upward trend from there. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys, across the stock market. The other markets is the same thing. Dow, S&P 500, same sort of thing. We're getting pretty far away here, guys. Again, we still can push here. We're probably going to actually push one more to the upside. It's probably going to be a false breakout too, right? Because we've already had this very big up move through here. So if we do get an up move through here, traders, get ready for a bit of what I call a false breakout. It's probably going to happen here for the rest of the year, which is not that many days left. I'll see you guys next year, right? I'll see you guys next year. Come back tomorrow, right? And then guess what? And then we could actually possibly get a bit of a false breakout. False breakout. It's a false breakout because it's already had a very big move up. False breakout then comes back down. And then all that is just going with what? Just in line with what a trend analysis is, right? Goes up, then comes back down. Goes up, comes back down. So that's what I'm seeing through there. So there we go, traders. Hope this helped you out. Please leave a comment section below. Let me know what you think about the stuff that I've talked about today. I appreciate every single one of you. 2024, guys, is going to be truly amazing for you. And I touched on this in this video here. Remember, trading is not about you being smart or trying to be lucky, right? Or listen to a YouTube video looking for the quick tip. Trading at the end of the day is what? Having a pattern or a pattern that you like, a set of rules that you follow, and then you go to the market to follow those trades. And remember, you don't actually need a lot of trades for you to do really well in the markets.